So let's talk about a platform built for web traders. I'm talking about Pluto Trade Base. So Pluto Trade Base is the platform built specifically for web traders. So let me ask you, what if you could trade a funded account without complicated phases, without tight restriction, and without racing against a clock? Now, imagine passing a platform with just 3% profit target. That's exactly what Pluto Trade Base is offering. Okay, now let's head to the website and do the explanation. Let's start with what is Pluto Trade Base. So Pluto Trade Base is a trading platform where you prove your skills through challenge. If you pass, you get access to real capital. No need to raise your own large account. But what really makes them different? So what really makes them different is how they structure their challenges. So number one, we are going to start with the Lightning account. So with the Lightning account, most other platforms requires you to have at least 5 to 10% profit targets, multiple evaluation phases, minimum trading days, and the minimum trading days, strict time limits. But in Pluto Trade Base, it's not so. So with Pluto Trade Base, it requires, it's just a one-step challenge with zero minimum trading days, which means that no strict time pressure on you, and only a 3% profit target is required. That means you don't need to overtrade, neither do you need to force setup. So you just have to trade your edge. So for traders who hate rushing, this is a huge win for you. You can pass quickly if you are good, but take your time and manage risk properly. And once you get funded, profit split can go up to 95%. That's one of the highest in the industry. So another thing we are going to talk about is what most platforms don't allow that Pluto's Trade Base allows. Number one on our list here is news trading. So Pluto Trade Base allows news trading, especially on the Lightning account and the EAS and both. That's expert advisor and both is allowed, especially on the step 1 in the Lightning account, and DCA strategy is allowed also on the Lightning account. So you can copy trade. I think copy trade is for general, and more flexibility holding rules. As with all this, you have enough room to play with. So for serious traders, this matters a lot to you guys. So if your strategy depends on high impact news, you don't want to be disqualified for trading CPI or NFP. And if you use automation, I see no reason why you should be forced to trade manually. So this flexibility makes Pluto Trade Base attractive for experienced traders. So another thing we are going to talk about is the adventure account. as you can see here. So with this account, that's up to $500,000 with a fee of 39 euros. So this model is specifically built for traders who want less restriction and more control, higher flexibility, fewer limitations. It also has high profit split, so you can see up to 95%. So for traders who have confidence in their system, this can be a very powerful option for you. So for platform and technologies, Plutus Trade Base support professional trading environments including MetaTrader 5, TradingView, TradeLocker, DS Trade, Match Trader, and C Trader. So that means advanced charting, custom indicators, automation, multi-asset capabilities, institutional level executional push. So you are not stuck on outdated system. Another strong advantage to a Plutus Trade Base user is that some Lightning option offers split pay structures, meaning you don't have to carry the full cost risk upfront, as you can see here. So that means you can now focus more on your performance. So for newer traders testing themselves, that lowers psychological pressure on them. Honestly speaking, every platform has its rules, and you should always read them carefully. Carefully. So as Plutus Trade Base is positioning themselves, so as always, do your own research. But in terms of flexibility, ease of passing, and the traders' friendly rules, they are clearly positioning themselves differently. So in summary, if you have been frustrated by strict rules ban, unrealistic profit target, rush evaluation timeline, then Plutus Trade Base might be worth exploring, especially if the 3% Lightning Challenge fits your strategy. You can check them out. Study the rules, trade responsible, and if you are confident in your edge, this could be your next funded opportunity. So thank you everyone. So thank you guys for watching the video, and if you have any question, you can drop it below in the comment section, and also stay tuned because we are going to drop more videos on the challenges, how the challenges work, and the instant account. Especially this video is going to be good for especially for the newbies. So we are going to explain both how drawdowns work, how maximum drawdown works, how daily drawdown works. So we are going to explain this bit by bit in a better way. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you guys.